A great hike can turn miserable fast if your trousers hold you back. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 best men's hiking trousers, picked for comfort, durability, and freedom of movement. Watch till the end, then grab your favorite through the links below. The number 5 product on our list is TACVASEN Hiking Trousers. Cold wind drains energy faster than steep climbs, and that's where winter hikes usually fall apart. This fleece-lined design flips that experience by trapping warmth without turning movement stiff or heavy. The soft shell fabric keeps heat close while quietly pulling moisture away, so long walks stay dry and comfortable. Windproof construction matters on exposed trails, and here it genuinely blocks biting air instead of just slowing it down. The waterproof outer layer adds peace of mind when snow or rain shows up uninvited. Practical details stand out during real use, with a flexible cut that moves naturally and an adjustable waist that stays comfortable over layers. Multiple zippered pockets keep essentials secure without bouncing around. The trade-off is slightly heavier fabric than summer pants, but that weight pays off in winter protection. Ideal for hikers, workers, and outdoor explorers who refuse to stay indoors when temperatures drop. At number 4 is SPOSULEI Hiking Trousers. Cold trails expose weak gear fast, and nothing ruins a hike quicker than freezing legs or soaked fabric. This pair solves that problem with a smart balance of warmth and mobility built for serious outdoor days. The outer soft shell blocks wind and resists snow and light rain, while the fleece interior traps heat without feeling bulky. Movement stays natural thanks to reinforced knees that handle climbing, kneeling, and long walks with ease. An adjustable waistband keeps the fit comfortable on long hikes, and zippered pockets protect essentials when terrain gets rough. Compared to lighter summer pants, these feel warmer and tougher, though they are less breathable for mild weather. They suit hikers, campers, hunters, and riders who face cold conditions and want dependable men's hiking trousers that work across seasons. When winter adventures demand comfort and protection, this design makes stepping outside feel far less intimidating. The third one on our list is Rapoo Hiking Trousers. Most outdoor pants fail the moment terrain changes or weather turns unpredictable, and that frustration can ruin an otherwise perfect hike. These trousers step in with a lightweight feel that moves naturally thanks to flexible stretch fabric that never feels restrictive. Breathability keeps long climbs comfortable, while quick-drying performance helps after sudden rain or river crossings. A durable water-repellent finish and strong sun protection make them reliable, from exposed ridgelines to shaded trails. Smart pocket placement keeps essentials secure without bulk, which matters when you are moving all day. Compared to heavier cargo styles, these feel faster and less tiring, though they trade extreme insulation for mobility. They are ideal for hikers who value comfort, versatility, and all-day wear during warm to mild conditions. The balance of airflow, utility, and durability makes them a strong contender among the best men's hiking trousers choices for active outdoor lifestyles. On number 2 is MAGCOMSEN Hiking Trousers. Cold mornings on the trail reveal weaknesses fast, and stiff, uncomfortable pants can turn a good hike into a short one. These winter-ready hiking trousers focus on warmth and movement at the same time. The thick fleece lining traps heat without making the legs feel bulky, while the polyester spandex blend stretches naturally as you climb or step over rough ground. Wind and light moisture stay outside, keeping your lower body comfortable during long outdoor hours. Reinforced knees add durability where abrasion usually hits first, a real benefit for hikers who kneel or scramble often. The elastic waist with belt loops helps dial in a secure fit, and multiple zip pockets keep essentials from bouncing or slipping out. Compared to lighter summer hiking pants, these feel heavier but far more protective in cold weather. Ideal for winter hiking, snow activities, outdoor work, and anyone who values warm, reliable men's hiking trousers when temperatures drop. Now, moving to the last one is BenBoy Hiking Trousers. Cold trails expose weak gear faster than steep climbs, and that frustration ends when your trousers actually work with you. Built for harsh weather and constant movement, these hiking trousers balance warmth and flexibility without feeling bulky. The softshell fabric blocks wind and shrugs off moisture, while the fleece lining keeps legs warm during long winter hikes. Stretch panels and reinforced knees handle climbing, kneeling, and uneven ground with ease, solving the common problem of stiff, uncomfortable pants outdoors. Multiple zippered pockets keep essentials secure, which matters when you are active and hands-free. Compared to lighter hiking pants, these lean more toward warmth and durability, though they can feel slightly warmer on mild days. This pair suits hikers, campers, and snow travelers who want reliable performance over fashion. For anyone comparing the best men's hiking trousers for cold conditions, this option feels like a smart and reassuring choice from first step to final mile. Among all the winner is BenBoy Hiking Trousers, for unbeatable comfort, durability, and flexibility, making every adventure feel effortless. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best men's hiking trousers. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.